Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Celo is another coin that I think is listed on Coinbase that has been requested. And the thing is that, let's check it out. Okay, so Celo, here it is. Number one quickly is that Celo does have a downtrend that has been broken. For some reason, it does look like almost a bump and run where you actually could even try to get back up to the all-time high. I do not know about the project. What is it about? But anyways, what I can say based on what I see on the chart is that Celo at this point of time is still in a bear market. It hasn't really done anything significant. It's almost as if back when this accumulation phase was happening, you are pretty much at the very same price level at the moment. So you just broke above, you went up to 1.6, and now you're down 50% one more time. So yes, it is actually time to see that you have already broken the downtrend. So what we need to see is that you just continue the sideways. That's still okay with me. There's no issue. But the thing is, if you do not go up and then you start to go down and lose this $0.3 and you come below $0.3, you could actually continue with a new downtrend, which is something that you don't want to see. But as far as I'm concerned, things are still looking better. And hopefully at some point we may start to see this thing just, have investors throw money into this and they can actually start to push the coin to the upside. But one thing is that is very good ever since 2021 in September, and now it's 2024. This whole downtrend actually has a very clear break. We have a retest, and if I do zoom in into the retest, it actually looks as if the retest has already happened. Now there's a room where it's still okay to come down even to 0.5 and retest it properly and then go back up. That's okay. The 4-hour time frame now, the smaller time frame, what is going on in here is that you have a regular bullish divergence here. The price are sideways and RSI is also moving to the upside, so this is good. And also, if you take another trend line, we are looking at another break. This is also good. So we are having a squeeze. Okay, so we had this little bit of a channel going on and you have actually broken above. Look at that, you're breaking above, you're retesting. So there's a wick up on the smaller time frame, at least, that I can say that has liquidation, and that is 0.95. so 0.95 can be a good place for you to get something. So it's actually going to be an 11% move up coming, but I don't think that's enough. I think we are going to see Celo maybe trying to get back up to at least even 1.8. So some few places that it can visit. One is actually going to be 0.95. Second one is actually going to be 1.2, and then we go to 1.4, and finally we go to 1.8. So these are the levels of profit that you can actually take if you are trading. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one in the office.